Hello and welcome back to the Auto Traction channel. You can see daily videos only on Auto Traction channel. Soaring beyond the sound barrier and leaping ahead of modern fighter jet evolution. The 2026 SR-72 Hypersonic Fighter Jet has redefined what speed, stealth, and surveillance truly mean, often dubbed the son of Blackbird. The SR-72 is more than just a successor, it's a quantum leap forward in hypersonic warfare. While the original SR-71 Blackbird ruled the skies for decades, the SR-72 takes everything good about its predecessor and straps rocket fuel onto it literally and figuratively with its rumored top speed of Mach 6. The SR-72 doesn't just fly, it disappears into the upper edges of Earth's atmosphere. The first thing that strikes you about the SR-72 is its radical design, sleek, dagger-shaped, and cloaked in heat-absorbing materials. It's more a shadow than a plane. This is a jet built for speed, silence, and strategic dominance. You won't see it coming, and by the time you do, it's already gone. The Senior 72's hybrid propulsion system is a marvel of aerospace engineering. It uses a turbine-based combined cycle engine, enabling it to take off like a normal jet, then switch to scramjet mode for hypersonic flight. At full tilt, it's untouchable by current missile defense systems, making it the ultimate tool for reconnaissance and possibly even strike missions. The U.S. Air Force and Lockheed Martin's Skunk Works division designed this machine to penetrate the most sophisticated air defenses with zero warning. Internally, the SR-72 isn't carrying massive payloads like a bomber. Instead, it focuses on intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance with the potential for precision strike capabilities. Some speculate it could deploy hypersonic weapons at unprecedented altitudes, hitting targets faster than enemies can respond. No confirmed armament details have been released, but with this much speed and stealth, even a small payload could be devastating. Its heat shielding and ceramic composite skin are built to withstand temperatures well beyond conventional limits. At Mach 6, friction with the atmosphere turns most metals into molten messes. Not this jet. Its skin and sensors are future-proofed for the most extreme environments. Every inch of the SR-72 is optimized for high-speed data gathering, stealth, evasion, and rapid exit. Despite being unmanned in most configurations, the SR-72 still draws power and functionality from AI systems on board. Advanced onboard computing handles, flight controls, environmental adjustments, and real-time intelligence transmission, making it a silent sentinel for the 21st century battlefield. It doesn't just scout, it maps, tracks, and relays data before ground forces or other jets can blink. And yet, what makes the SR-72 even more compelling is what we don't know. Much of its design, mission, role, and capabilities are classified. It exists somewhere between fact and science fiction, operational but invisible, real but elusive. It's not just a jet, it's a ghost of air dominance reshaping aerial warfare. With every sonic boom it leaves behind. Thank you for watching the Auto Traction channel. For more exclusive reviews on advanced aircraft, military tech, and next-gen engineering, stay tuned daily. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next high-speed reveal.